In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Outlook desktop shortcut for your PC, a simple process that takes just a few minutes. By the end of this guide, you will have direct access to your Outlook directly from your desktop, making your email management a breeze. So let's get started. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Microsoft Outlook's website. You want to ensure you're on the official site to avoid any phishing attempts or security issues. Once there, look to the top right corner of your screen. You should see a sign in button. Click that. Now this part is crucial. You'll be prompted to sign in with your email and password. Ensure you're using the Microsoft account associated with your Outlook, as this will directly affect the configuration of your desktop shortcut. Take a moment to double check your credentials for any typos or errors before hitting that sign in button. With you now signed in, direct your attention to the three dots you'll find at the top of your browser window. This is also sometimes known as the More or Menu button. Clicking this will give you a drop-down menu with several options. We're going to focus on the option that says Cast, Save and Share, so just hover over that option. You'll notice that within this section are a variety of actions, but the one we're most interested in is titled Install Outlook. Go ahead and click Install Outlook. You're almost done. A dialog box will appear confirming your intention to install. Simply click install and the process will start. What you're doing here is effectively creating a shortcut that not only will launch the Outlook web app right from your desktop, but also avoid going through multiple steps to get your emails. Once the installation process is complete, check your desktop. You'll see a brand new Outlook icon ready for action. Double clicking this icon will launch your Outlook web app, letting you dive straight into your email and calendar without any detours. There you have it. You've set up your Outlook desktop shortcut. It's a small tweak, but it can save you precious time and make your daily interactions with your emails and calendar much more streamlined. Thanks for following along, and I hope this simple guide has made your digital life a little bit easier. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Happy organizing!